Good morning and welcome, it's Julie Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Except it's been pouring with rain, so it's quite dull and depressing, so you have to do something that lifts your mood. And certainly me getting in my art room and doing some painting is just the therapy that I need, so you ought to try it if you haven't. So today my intention is on this little canvas is doing the background in sort of, instead of a solid colour, it's got a mix of colours. And I'm going to layer different colours to do a dip technique. So this is a little gallery wrap canvas, and then I'm going to dip another canvas on top of this one and get the lovely effects, as I always love the effects from a dip. So this is a double dip. And as you see, I'm putting some phthalo blue on, and then I'll go on to put viridian green, and I will put some real nice bright red. I think I put some yellow, and of course my berry delicious goes on there. And so it's just layering the paint. How you see, I like to do these V chevron patterns. It seems to leave a really nice pattern when you do the dipping with chevrons. So I'll let you watch it for a second and jump in when I feel I need to.
Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart.
So here we go for the double dips in those really bright colours. As you see, I did add some fluoro pink in there, and the actual yellow is quite fluoro too. So that always makes your socks pop off. You pop your socks, or whatever you say when you're excited, as I do. Crazy sayings. So I'm just making sure I give it a nice firm press. So I'm transferring the colour to the other canvas and giving it a flip over as I did. Make sure that it's transferred. But it isn't a problem if there's some areas that's got paint mist, because then that's an opportunity to use your balloon as your tool to fill in some gaps if you with some nice effects from the balloon. So here we go. Oh wowee! Oh my goodness, that is so bright and gorgeous. I just love it, and I really hope you do too. See, so we've got two art pieces for the one, but it wouldn't be a Julie Cube special if I didn't bring out my most famous and loved tool of all. It's balloons. Use them in all sorts of ways. So as you can see, I love my balloon. So I'll just merrily go along there and add the balloon to where I think it needs it. This actually has dried beautifully, and I will add some photos at the end, but I do intend putting a coat of resin over this to really make it pop. I'm trying to save my resin projects so I can get them all done in one day, so I won't resin it just yet. But they are absolutely beautiful, and I'm just probably wishing at the moment that I left a bit more of that background showing, because it was such a nice background. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll put some more photos on, and I will be back tomorrow, my lovelies. So please take care, and see you tomorrow. Bye for now.